It's a dyno test on precision race engines, blown 347 Ford. This has all polished heads, blower, carburetor. It's got all chrome accessories. This engine here is set up for like a show car deal. This engine's perfect for a street car. Anybody wants to cruise up and down the strip. It's got a mild hydraulic roller cam in it. Should be pretty well maintenance free. Okay, we got 604 horsepower at 6,800 RPMs and 533 foot-pounds of torque at 4,800 RPMs.